Hey, Natalie Berth, doing another LinkedIn profile mini review. Again, this is not comprehensive. It's only what I can fit in a video, 2.5 to 3 minutes long. And this review is for Barb, on Barb's profile. Uh, right off the bat, I would love to see, she's got a great smile. I would love to see this cropped so that I'm seeing more of her face instead of that whole half body thing that so many people do. I would like to see it, bring it forward. Let us look at that a little bit closer. This picture's already really small. Okay, the next thing which is interesting is her headline. The headline, I think I would like to add something that's a little bit more interesting, if you will. If you're looking for someone who's got these roles, that's fine. But there's an opportunity here to kind of bring in a little bit of interest and make her interesting. And I noticed in her about section, she says that she loves to travel. She tries to get to a new destination every year. So if she's been to a bunch of different countries, for example, she can add something at the end that says visited 92 countries and counting, or whatever the thing is, right? Something that kind of brings up the interest in who she is as a person. Because even though banking is, dry by many of our accounts, that doesn't mean that her profile has to also be dry. I liked what she really did in the about section. In her experience section, I might, unless there's a compelling reason to do so, you dump everything that's over 20 years old. Uh, that's got to be a call that she needs to make. But what I would like to see is have some of this broken up a little bit, right? So she's got these things, but if we could group them into with subheadings, it'll just be easier for people to review in general. The one quick thing I want to talk about finally are her skills. She has 46 skills listed, but there is some variation of risk management listed at least 3 or 4 times. I saw three and then I stopped counting. And so, unless there's a really, first of all, they should be they should be put in order where you want the most important one or the people that know you the most, right, are at the top. But I would add just risk management. And then when she's off looking for another job, she can add the tags that people want that might be looking for a job, right? If they're looking for risk management, if they're looking specifically for enterprise risk management, then you add that later. And then go ask your peers for reviews. But we need to clean this up a little bit and put it in an order, because you can order your skills, that makes the most sense and that you are not saying the same thing 14 different ways until it just kind of looks redundant or it's a little bit too much. Okay, so thank you to Barb for letting me review her profile. If you would like a review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I will tag you when I'm able to get it done. Thanks.